chain and the cheetah print. Talk fresh game, I don't.
Hey, sexy love. Hi guys. So this is like the best day ever. This is the best day ever.
Hi everyone. Hi.
Alright, so this is Miss Smith and this is my sister Shani. And we are all and look at the bus, guys. We are going to Otares. We are going to Otares to Waterland. It is going to be come on, I said get hype. We're not hype. Come on.
Money pull up. Selector, money pull up. Hey. Hello, Mr. Hello, Bernie. What's your name? We have a tune up again. Nobody.
Hi guys, so we are now in Otares and we are heading, still have not reached Waterland, so I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so we made it to Waterland. Oh my god, this is so exciting! Oh my god! Wait, girl, we are at Waterland and this is so amazing! Hi! Hi! Excitement, people, excitement. Guys, run along. Alright, before we go.
Okay, let's proceed with it. I'm in the house, got the deed with it. These bozos always sneak this and they taking shots. I'm a key with it. Like, no, this league business. Who you really know? I've been moving under all. Yeah, my connect is way up. I don't keep it on the.
At Waterland, walking in, and it's so much. Well, it looks so great. Sean, what?
Alright, me come back in my bath.
Yes, please.
My pin light on.
Why not?
Give me some more smack that until you get some smack
Hi guys, so we have just left Waterland. It was so fun. I could not even finish. Hi guys, so finished Waterland. We are now heading to Otares town to get something to eat. It was so fun. I did not even have a chance to video all of that because I had to, take it all in. So the pictures are what you guys are gonna have to view.
Y'all can't handle this. Y'all don't know what's about to happen, baby. Team 10, Los Angeles, Cali boy. But I'm from Ohio, though, white boy. It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months. Never